Hello, welcome students. You are watching science on chapter skeletal system. So, in the previous class, I have already discussed on the function of rib cage, function of skeletal system, and on the definition of joints too. So, you know very well that I have already discussed in the previous classes that there are two types of joint. What are they? Movable and immovable joint. Okay, so today I will discuss on immovable joint. So what is immovable joint means that joint which do not allow move. Okay, is called what? Immovable joint. So that I have already discussed in the previous class. So today I will discuss on movable joint. So you must keep in mind that movable joints are of different types. Okay, what are they? They are hinge joint. Number second is ball and socket joint. Third one is pivot joint. Fourth one is gliding joint. Okay, so first of all I want to say on a hinge joint. This hinge joint, the joint which allow move, the joint which allow to move only in one direction. जो एक डायरेक्शन में मूवमेंट हो उसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? वन डायरेक्शन. ओके, तो वेयर the hinge joint is found. So the hinge joint is found in the elbow, knee, finger and toes. So it is you know very well, elbow, knees, finger and toes. So this type of joint allow only in one direction. You have to see, suppose this is my hand. If I want to move the hand in the downward direction, okay, but furthermore I can't bend my hand. This means that it allow only in one direction. Clear? In the same way, when you open the door, on the one end of the door there is a handle and other end of the door is fixed with the help of screw. Okay, so when you open the door, this open in only in one direction. Okay, so in the same way hinge joint allow to move only in one direction. Next one is ball and socket joint. You must keep in mind this type of joint is found where? Is found in shoulder and hip. Okay, you must keep in mind in shoulder and hip. So this type of joint allow to move in all direction. ये जो joint होते हैं इस तरह के, ये हर तरफ से मूव. देखो मैं अपना हाथ को घुमा रहा हूँ, I will move my hand in circular direction, or maybe left to right, up to down. Okay, left, right, up, down, forward, backward. So this type of movement allow in all direction. Okay, so next one is the pivot joint. So what is pivot joint? Pivot joint means this type of joint is found present between the skull and the two vertebrae, between the skull and the two vertebrae. So what does it function? This type of joint allow to move in up and down and left right direction. Okay, so this is the function of pivot joint. And the final one is the gliding joint. So this type of joint is found in where? Is found in wrist. Okay, wrist, ankle and between the two vertebrae in the spine. So this type of joint allow to what? In the sideways forward, backward direction. Okay, so you have to keep in mind where is it found, what is its function. Okay, next one is the muscles. So muscles means you know very well, it help us to move our body. मसल के द्वारा हमारी बॉडी की क्या होती है? मूवमेंट होती है. तो you know very well there are more than 600 muscles in our body. हमारे शरीर में कितने मसल्स हैं? 600 मसल्स हैं. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द मसल्स आर अटैच विद बोन, बहुत सारे जो मसल्स हैं वो बोन के साथ अटैच होते हैं। तो उसी के मुताबिक इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, इसको हम लोग कहेंगे टेंडन। जो टेंडन में ये एक तरह का कनेक्टिव टिश्यू है जो बोन और मसल के साथ क्या होती हैं, अटैचमेंट होती हैं। दूसरे होते हैं लीगामेंट। लीगामेंट जो होते हैं वो बोन से बोन को जोड़ के रखता है। क्लियर हो गया। तो ये मसल जो है तो ये हमारे हैंड को, पैर को यानी कि मूवमेंट करवाते हैं ये, और इट ऑल्सो हेल्प टू पुश द फूड फ्रॉम द फूड पाइप टू रीच द स्टमक। ओके, ये जो इसोफेगस है, फूड पाइप जिसको कहते हैं, उसी के बदौलत क्या होती है, मसल की जो कंट्रैक्शन रिलैक्सेशन होती है उसी के चलते भोजन क्या होते हैं यहाँ से पूरा पेट तक पहुँच जाती हैं। ये हो गया यानी कि फंक्शन ऑफ मसल्स। तो इसके बारे में हम फिर डिस्कस करेंगे टाइप ऑफ मसल्स। तो टाइप ऑफ मसल्स क्या होते हैं, ये दो तरह के होते हैं, एक होते हैं वॉलंटरी मसल्स और दूसरा क्या होते हैं, इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स। तो इसके बारे में हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में बताएंगे। तो तब तक हम फिर मिलेंगे। बाय बाय।